Namaste, welcome back to AnkiNish Creation. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing how I made my own dot mandal earrings from scratch. So it's made on a wooden base and I'll show you everything, how to seal it, how to make a hole in the wooden base and everything. So let's get started with making our dot mandal earrings. Let's go. So this is my wooden pieces wala box. इसमें I have lots of miscellaneous shapes of wooden pieces. So I'm taking out this circle wooden pieces which is 4 centimeters in diameter, and then now I'm heating up my wood burning tool because I wanted to add 2 holes in to make my earrings. So first I'm finding the center and then I'm marking 2 pencil marks on the sides of the circle to make the hole which is like in straight in line. So I'm making the holes right now. I really recommend getting a wood burning tool if you are into making like wooden pieces or wooden jewelry or something like that. Now I have my hole, so I am using the one circle on which I have created hole as a template, and then I'm creating holes in all other wooden pieces which I'm going to use to make earrings in this video. So next step after piercing hole into all my wooden circles is I'm going to apply a base color which is black acrylic paint. I'm going to be applying on one side of all the wooden circles I have pierced hole into it. So after my wooden circle has dried completely, I'm going to be sticking a mirror in the center of my wooden circle using some fabric glue, or my ruler ki help se I'll measure out all the sides to make sure my mirror is in the proper center of the wooden circle. Now it's time to start painting dot mandals on the wooden bases. So starting with neon acrylic pink color, and I'm using my dotting tool to make some dots on it. I'm not going to be painting big dots to make dot mandal earrings because I wanted to make it as detailed as possible. So I'm just I'm having a theme in every earring set I'm making. So this is like pinkish purplish theme. I'll be adding golden and some metallic paints in all the earring to give it a more brighter look. So yeah, enjoy the process of painting dot mandals on this wooden bases. If you don't have dotting tools, or if you are starting with dot mandal painting and don't want to invest in dotting tools for now, you can use so many things which are available at home to make them as your dotting tools. I have a whole video in which I have shared so many different items in our home which we can use as dotting tool. I'll link that video in the description box below, and also an iCard would come up here. So you can watch that video and make your own dotting tools. So here I have painted another circle as well, and now I'm starting with the other pair of earrings. These wooden bases are super duper light in weight. They are not at all heavy. So these earrings turned out to be super light in weight. So they are perfect to wear in the festive season coming up. Like you can wear it in Navratri and dance all night without hurting your ears. Plus they look so pretty and colorful. Perfect for Navratri and Indian outfits. Now moving on to my third pair of earring, giving it a greenish theme. You can choose whatever colors you want for your dot mandal earrings. You can choose like 2 colors, 3 colors, or lots of colors. It's all up to you. All colors will look good in Indian outfits, so doesn't matter. Just have fun while making these earrings. With this one, I'll be done with my all 8 wooden basis dot mandal painting and 4 pair of earrings, and I'll let it dry overnight before starting the next step. So I did let it over dry, and now I'm taking out my jewelry making accessories, earring hook, some jump rings, some eye pin, I think it's called eye pin, and some tassels. So first I wrapped the eye pin around one hole like this and then inserted the earring hook, and below niche wale hole mein I inserted a jump ring and tassel. So here I am doing the same thing into the other mandal earring part. So I'm using a jump ring and a tassel and attaching it to one of the hole of my wooden circle, and then I'll be attaching the eye pin on the top hole and attaching the earring hook inside of the eye pin. My attaching the jewelry bits process was not as smooth as other processes because ज़्यादा बनाया नहीं है मैंने ऐसे, और ये भी डर रहता है कि डॉट्स जो है वो ख़राब नहीं हो जाए बिकॉज एक ही दिन हुआ है उनको सूखे हुए. सो इट वॉज अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ अ ट्रायल एंड एरर वाला प्रोसेस, इसलिए वो सही ढंग से शूट भी नहीं हुआ. आई डिडंट रियलाइज़ कि वो टाइम लैप्स में शूट हो रहा था, और फिर मैंने उसको थोड़ा स्लो करने की कोशिश करी वाइल एडिटिंग, बट वो उतना नॉर्मली नहीं दिख रहा जितना एक नॉर्मल वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग दिख रहा है. तो आई गेस आप लोग ट्राई करके हो जाएगा. आई मीन आई पिन को फोल्ड करना है और इयरिंग हुक लगाना है, सो आई थिंक हो जाएगा. Once I'm done attaching all the jewelry bits, I'm using this little birdie gloss finish varnish on top of my earrings so that my paint is durable and water resistant and everything and it gets a beautiful shine at the end. So it's a good varnish. इसमें brush strokes वगैरह नहीं दिख रहे थे after drying, and yeah, it also gave a very good shine to my earrings after drying. So this is how my earring looked after drying. I am so happy how they turned out. So that's it for this video. I really hope you find it useful and interesting. I really loved making all these dot mandal earrings. Let me know in the comment section below आपको dot mandal टाइप की पेंटिंग में और कौन से DIYs देखने हैं. So I'll try to make those videos in future, and like this video if you liked it. Comment down below your thoughts on it as usual, and I'll see you soon. Bye. Love being creative, and yeah, please subscribe. Let's reach 235,000 as soon as possible, and bye bye.